Hi, I'm Gina Stipo and I'm here today with Filippo Gambassi and we're going to show you how to use some of the products from Terra di Siena. Today we're going to make a typical recipe of pici with briciole and pancetta. You can also use guanciale, couldn't you, for this, Filippo? Okay, pici is a traditional pasta from the Siena area. We're going to toast breadcrumbs with a garlic clove in extra virgin olive oil. And then Filippo is going to cut some small cubes of pancetta and we're going to brown those in a saute pan and then toss the pici right from the water, toss it right into the saute pan. This is a guanciale. And now we're going to start our recipe so that we can eat. Okay, the first thing we have to make is the briciole. Briciole means little shreds, and we have fresh breadcrumbs. You can do it the Tuscan way, which is grating the bread, or you can just put the fresh bread in your food processor and make it into crumbs. Then we heat olive oil, extra virgin olive oil in a pan with a whole garlic clove. When it's nice and hot, we add our breadcrumbs, and then you stir to coat with the oil, and just keep cooking it. And you have to keep stirring it so that they don't burn. You just keep going until it gets nice and golden brown and very toasty. Filippo, while I'm doing this, would you cut the pancetta? Show us how how you're going to cut that pancetta. Rigatino is what we call it in Tuscany.
Remove the skin.
Yeah, how big of pieces do you think? Like that? Good.
Yeah, maybe 2 slices.
Okay.
This is the good sides.
That's covered with pepper,
Yeah,
salt, beautiful.
garlic.
That's one of the things that sets this product apart is that it's made the Tuscan way, artisanal, by hand. And in Tuscany we use a lot of pepper on our rigatino.
Yeah, fresh garlic.
Fresh garlic.
Vinegar.
Vinegar. You wash the rind with vinegar? Or
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay, the size that we're using for this particular dish are small little cubes or little dice. Obviously, if you're going to put it on an antipasto platter, you would slice the pancetta very, very thin. This product is the pork belly, the belly of the pig, and it is 100% edible just the way it is. So you would slice that and put that on an antipasto platter. Okay, in this case, we've used the pancetta, but you can also use a guanciale, which is a cured pork jowl, which is fantastic. It's made the same way that the pancetta is made, covered with pepper and garlic and salt, washed in vinegar, and then aged for 2 to 3 months. The guanciale is a fatter meat, but it's a much more delicate flavor, and it's especially good sliced very, very thin on a warm bruschetta. But if you're lucky enough to have a piece, you can cut it into small cubes and brown it in the pan, and then toss it with the pasta and briciole.
Agree.
Oui. Are you ready?
Ready.
Okay. We have our pot of boiling water, well salted. You always want to cook your pasta in well salted water. And when the water boils, then we add the pasta. And in Italy, when the water is boiling, we say "Butta la pasta." Filippo, butta la pasta. Once your pasta is cooked, we're going to take it right out of the pot and put it right into our pan with the pancetta. I like to take my pasta out this way. You can save the water. That way, if you need some of the water to liquefy the sauce, you've got it. always want to dress your pasta with a little bit of extra virgin olive oil. We're not adding any pepper to this dish because there's lots of pepper on the pancetta that Filippo made. Tuscan extra virgin olive oil is also very, very peppery. So you find that when you're making Tuscan dishes, you don't really need a lot of pepper. Now this dish is our briciole dish, so we're going to put it in the bowl. We add some of our breadcrumbs, our briciole, to it. Pici con pancetta e briciole. Buon appetito!